Vindita, right?
घर वाले भूल जाते हैं कि हमारा लड़का भी है।
Really overconfident.
मेरे तो ऊपर से जा रहा है ये सब।
It's such a hard question.
आपके पेरेंट्स आपके पैशन के खिलाफ नहीं है, वो बस आपको गरीब नहीं देखना चाहते।
Agree. Get up, stand, and speak for yourself.
Do you think money cannot buy happiness?
No, money can buy happiness.
Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well and welcome to the Failed Podcast. आज फाइनली हमारा पहला एपिसोड शूट होने जा रहा है एंड ऑनेस्टली भाई काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ इसके लिए, क्योंकि आज का गेस्ट बहुत स्पेशल है। और जब मैंने ये पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट करने का सोचा था ना, आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया कैसे करूँगा, कैसे होगा, कैसे गेस्ट बुलाऊँगा, कैसे प्रोसेस करूँगा, बट एनी हाउ आई डिसाइडेड टू स्टार्ट। क्योंकि मैंने कहीं सुना था कि प्लेन सबसे ज़्यादा फ्यूल उड़ने में नहीं, टेक ऑफ करने में खर्च करता है। 1000 किलो प्लेन को ज़मीन से ऊपर उठने में इंजिन्स को अपनी फुल पावर लगानी पड़ती है। पता है कितना? लगभग उसकी पूरी सफ़र का 25%। तो हम क्यों ना करें? For the very first episode, we have the very special guest. Please join me welcoming Miss Bindita Pasnet.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. Hello.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
My pleasure to be you are here. She is very multi-talented and she can dance, she can sing, and she can speak 3 different languages. What are that languages?
I can speak the basics, Hindi, English, and Nepali.
Yeah.
Those are the 3 basics, and apart from that, I have interest in international languages. Currently, I'm fluent in Korean, and I'm learning Chinese and Thai alongside.
Oh, Chinese and Thai.
Yeah.
And recently you become Miss Sikkim Universe, Miss Universe Sikkim.
Yeah, I was the second runner-up for Miss Universe Sikkim 2026 just recently.
Congratulations for
Thank
that.
you so much.
Let's start with simple then.
Sure.
अगर कोई आपका कोई दोस्त आपका नंबर अपने फ़ोन में सेव कर रहा है, तो आप क्या चाहती है उनका क्या नाम से सेव करना चाहिए आपका नंबर?
Whatever they call me, because I have so many nicknames. My name is Bindita, right? So they call me Bindi, Bini, which is my Instagram handle also. So yeah, they can save me whatever nicknames they call me.
हमें क्या बुलाना चाहिए?
Bindita would be the best because it is the official name, you know.
Sure. What's something about you that people always surprised to find out?
So something about me that people are always surprised to find out is बाहर से जब मुझे देखते हैं लोग, they find me very intimidating. Like I have a very what do I say? Very strong resting face, I would say.
Yeah.
So yeah, they find me very intimidating, hard to reach out, hard to speak, you know. But once you start talking to me, you'll find out that I am the softest person.
I got that.
That's the thing. I think don't judge a book by its cover. Yeah.
What makes your day instantly better?
It is a call from my mom. And actually what we do is every day after my university, my mom calls me, we do a video call, and then I have a small sister, she's just 3 years old. So looking at her smiling and calling me Nana, Nana. So Nana in
वो बेस्ट पार्ट है वो तो।
yeah.
घर से फोन आ रहा है, लेकिन हम लोगों को ऐसा नहीं होता। हमारे लड़कों का क्या होता है कि कोई काम आता है तभी फोन करते हैं, ऐसे उधर से भी कॉल नहीं आता है हमें।
yeah. नहीं होता है।
हम घर वाले भूल जाते हैं कि हमारा लड़का भी है।
But then yeah, my parents they always every day call होता है हमारा वीडियो कॉल में।
That's good also, like
Yeah.
घर से बात होना अच्छा दिन भी बन जाता है वैसे, और दिन खराब हो तो दिन अच्छा भी हो जाता है।
Yeah, agree.
What's the most you thing about you?
The most me thing about me is I am a person who loves starting new things.
Okay.
So I'll start 5 things and only 2 things are going to see its end. 3 things are going to hang in there waiting for me to come back. whenever I have the mood to, you know. So pehle I used to think that it's a confusion. I don't know what to do. But right now that I realize it's just me liking the adrenaline rush that happens when we start new things. So yeah, starting new things and not ending it.
Like हम लोग ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि you are the jack of all trades.
Agreed.
What's one thing people assume about you that's completely wrong?
That I am hard to approach again, because they think that I speak very rudely. I look rude, you know.
You
So I think that is one misconception that people have about me. But you'll find me yapping and yapping and yapping. I look quiet, you know, when I'm in a gathering, I look very quiet. But once you come to me and you start talking to me, my talks have no end.
If your life was a movie right now, what would be the title you give?
If my life was a movie, the title of my movie would be Canvas in Progress.
Canvas in Progress.
Yeah, because
Continue learning.
yes, because I believe that life is a canvas where you throw a bunch of colors and you see what masterpiece it turns into. So I'm in that process of throwing different colors, trying different things, you know, trying different things and choosing what is right for me and what is wrong for me.
What do you start recently that you are never doing?
What did I? Okay, so it's such a hard question because there are so many things that I've started. I started journaling. Okay. So I junk journaling, you know, you take bunch of different wrappers or some stickers and you put it into your diary. I did that once.
Oh.
My one page is very decorated and then the whole diary is blank. I mean, I should be starting doing it, but
like ठीक है ना, but start तो किया.
Exactly.
At least regret तो नहीं होगा कि हमने किया ही नहीं.
Agree, yes.
ये भी इसीलिए start है the failed podcast.
Very nice initiative. I like it.
Thank you for that. Like आपको क्या लगता है जो हम लाइफ में जो पर्सनालिटी बनते हैं वो हमारी चॉइसेस से बनते हैं या फिर किसी अपॉर्चुनिटी से जो हमें मिलती है?
It depends. Actually, दोनों ही बहुत ज़्यादा contribute करते हैं because whatever opportunities come to you, अगर आप उसको choose नहीं करोगे, opportunities आपके पास आएगा. But if you don't take that opportunity, I think that is going to shape whether you become that or you don't become.
How
Right?
to choose that opportunity?
I think you have to be self-aware. आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्या आ रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, आपको aware होना चाहिए. Like, to give an example, the pageant that I just won, Miss Universe Sikkim 2026, I think the opportunity walked onto me. Because जो है Instagram में, I was watching my Instagram reels and then I saw one of my sister, she had advertised for it, like, come on girls, let's do it, this is happening, so you can audition here. And then I saw the dates, it was between exams. So हमारा final term चल रहा था.
अच्छा.
And then it was on 3rd, it was on 2nd and I had an exam on 3rd.
ओह, मतलब गैप ही नहीं था.
नहीं था, तो the audition was on 2nd and I had an exam on 3rd. So first में मेरा एक exam था and then वो exam खत्म करके I was like, should I go, should I not go? Because कल exam है और आज audition है और it took me a lot of thought process to, you know, finally take that opportunity and go for the audition. अगर मैंने वो audition नहीं लिया होता तो this day would not have come, I believe. So it totally depends on you, how you see the opportunity and how you take it.
That's good. तो आपने आपके दिमाग में पहले से ऐसा नहीं था कि मेरे को जाना है, करना है?
Actually, it was a passion of mine since I was a child.
Oh,
I loved modeling. I loved into pageantry, you know. So मुझे पहले से ही था कि मुझे कुछ तो करना है.
कुछ तो करना है।
तो उस फील्ड में कुछ तो करना है और but then होता है ना कभी कभी you get so lost into the responsibilities and parents का वही होता है do start like study
Studies.
well and get a government job, you know, at
हाँ.
least एक बार stable हो जाओ, then do what you want to do, right? But actually में अगर हम अभी देखेंगे तो that is very not possible, I would say. So मैंने ये एक opportunity देखा मुझे और I talked to my parents also and they were very very supportive of it and they were like, go, it's okay, एक exam भी करने से कुछ नहीं होगा.
That's good. आपके पेरेंट्स इतना सपोर्ट करते हैं.
Yeah.
आपने वो रील जरूर देखी होगी कि बाद में चाय ठंडी हो जाती है.
Agree.
तो बात का इंतजार मत करो, स्टार्ट करो और सक्सेस और फेल बाद की बात है, वो बाद में देखेंगे, स्टार्ट तो करना चाहिए पहले.
Agree. Yes.
तो जब आप ऐसे लाइक आप यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं, यू बिकेम जस्ट मिस सिक्किम, मिस यूनिवर्स सिक्किम, तो आपको अब जब ऐसे पीछे अपनी लाइफ में देखते हो तो आपको क्या लगता है आपकी लाइफ में सबसे ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन किसका है?
Contribution तो सबसे ज़्यादा पेरेंट्स का ही है. Like they have always pushed me forward, you know. They have created the opportunities for me in life to do something, to move forward. And they have put up the stairs which I can climb with pride. So सबसे ज़्यादा contribution तो उनका ही है, I would say.
तो पेरेंट्स तो ऐसे सब सपोर्ट. यार जाकिर खान ने ना एक बात बोली थी लाइक इंस्टाग्राम पे, जो मैं उनको देखता रहता हूँ, तो उन्होंने बोली थी कि आपके पेरेंट्स आपके पैशन के खिलाफ नहीं है, वो बस आपको गरीब नहीं देखना चाहते.
Agree. Parents, all parents are like that, I think, because they just want to see you stand on your own feet.
Yeah.
And not beg others
for the things.
Yeah.
तो या अब इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट आता है. So first thing that come to your mind when I say like what? Like मैं एक वर्ड बोलूँगा, आपके दिमाग में पहला जो क्या आता है वो आपको बता. रैंप वॉक.
Beauty queen.
You are.
Thank you.
Zoology.
Mandar sir. So he's our HOD, head of the department.
Okay.
So zoology
सर
का
पढ़ाया है सर ने आपको?
हाँ, he teaches us.
हाँ, zoology subject ही पढ़ाते हैं.
हाँ, zoology में there are so many different sectors, so many different sub topics. So sir, अभी तो फिलहाल last semester में he was teaching us parasitology.
मेरे तो ऊपर से जा रहा है ये सब.
It's about सब parasites जो होता है वो.
मैंने एनीमे जरूर देखा है पैरासाइट.
So it's very different from that,
Yeah.
but
कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट.
okay.
कोरियन ड्रामा.
Korean drama. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, Son Joong-gi. He's an actor. He's a Korean actor.
Korean actor.
Yeah, he's a Korean actor.
Okay. Exams.
Me being blank after seeing the question paper. वो moment होता है ना when you know you've studied, you go inside, you're very nervous, you have like, I am a person who is very ready for everything, so I carry a bunch of pens. I think the people who have been in the same exam hall with me have seen me with bunch of pens. एक नहीं चलेगा तो दूसरा नहीं चलेगा तो तीसरा. तो या वो इमेज
लड़कियों का होता है वैसे. दे आर वेरी कॉन्शियस अबाउट दैट. हम लड़कों का नहीं होता, हम एग्जाम हॉल में जाके किसी से पेन मांगते हैं.
अग्री, बहुत देखा है मैंने, वो बहुत ज्यादा देखा है.
मैं एग्जाम हॉल में अभी ये जो सेमेस्टर एग्जाम था, हम लोगों को गए थे, मेरे पास कुछ था ही नहीं, अकाउंट्स का एग्जाम था. सब देख रहा हूँ, कैलसी लेके बैठे हैं, पेन स्केल पेपर सब लेके बैठे, मेरे पास कुछ था ही नहीं. मैं कहा भाई एक पेन दे दे प्लीज. ऐसा हुआ था मेरे साथ. सोशल मीडिया. BTS.
because they are, I think, I follow them the most in social media.
Okay.
So I open social media just to see their updates.
ओके
Yeah.
तो आपके फीड में तो खाली BTS आता होगा.
Yeah, ज़्यादातर वही होते हैं. And then there are like news channels that I follow.
करंट अफेयर्स भी जरूरी है.
Mm.
एनीमे
Anime, Luffy
लूफी
from
या
One Piece. I
That's the
actually
great-
don't watch anime.
अच्छा you don't watch.
I don't watch anime.
Oh.
So, but then I've seen few movies like Your Name.
like movies.
Yeah, anime movies.
आपने
So,
वो देखा है I want to eat your pancreas.
yeah, I cried a
Yeah,
lot during
that's a
that.
good one, yeah.
That's a really good one. So, but then I actually don't watch dramas as much as
Okay.
people would assume because I speak Korean, right?
yeah.
People would assume
बस यही
me
सोच के मैंने ये
watching.
स्क्रिप्ट लाया.
Yeah, because I watch a lot of variety shows. यहाँ जो हम लोग का होता है like Kapil Sharma show and
हाँ.
you know दूसरा डांस सुपर डांसर DID वो सब होता है. I watch those kind of variety shows but Korean.
आप डांस भी करते हैं. आपका फेवरेट डांसर कौन?
My mom. Because मैंने डांस शुरू किया because my mom used to dance and
उन्होंने
घर
सिखाया
पे मैं खुद से ही सीखी हूँ.
अच्छा.
मुझे I used to do dance classes for like 2 years. मैं बहुत छोटी थी.
अच्छा.
And then मैं जिस स्कूल में पढ़ती थी वहाँ पे क्लासेस भी होता था.
डांस क्लासेस.
हाँ, डांस का पीरियड होता था.
अच्छा.
एक पीरियड होता था.
हर
और
दिन?
हर दिन नहीं.
अच्छा.
I think twice a week.
Oh.
twice a week होता था. वहाँ पे डांस का क्लासेस होता था. टेक्वांडो होता था. So I also do taekwondo. I currently hold black belt in taekwondo as well.
Oh.
Yeah, so वो होता था and I think my mom really pushed me. We used to practice घर पे like वीडियो देख के डांस प्रैक्टिस करते थे मॉम और मैं.
Confidence?
Confidence? I think me myself.
Oh, that's nice. Failure?
Failure, success?
Sikkim?
Sikkim? My hometown. Timitarku.
Okay.
Yeah, the TVT garden.
And Miss Universe?
Miss Universe, Harnaz, who is the winner after 21 years. She won Miss Universe in
Oh.
2021, I think. So yeah.
What made you fall in love with languages?
I think language is something that you can, know the true essence of a culture from. Like, जब हिंदी बोलते हैं हम तो वो हिंदी को अगर हम इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे it'll sound very different.
Yeah.
Right? So the nuance that goes into the language is what pulls me in. Like मैंने Korean क्यों सीखा? Because there are so many expressive words that are used in Korean which are not there in English.
Okay.
So I find Korean and Nepali very similar. Yeah,
Yes,
so
like, मेरे को आता नहीं है कोरियन बट
हाँ,
मैं ये सुन के ज्यादा अजीब लग रहा है कि कोरियन और नेपाली सेम साउंड करते हैं.
it's like in Nepali also we have very different nuance, right? So we say like बेसी ना बोले, don't speak too much.
हाँ.
But then English में अगर हम बोलेंगे too much, then it'll sound a bit different, the vibe is a bit different.
But the same thing, how can we say it in Korean language?
너무 말하지 마.
Huh?
너무 말하지 마.
Okay, I cannot try this.
So 너무 is like a lot. So and then 말 is like talk and hachima is don't.
Oh, okay.
So don't talk too much.
अच्छा, मेरा पॉडकास्ट का नाम है द फेल्ड पॉडकास्ट. इसको कैसे बोलेंगे?
Actually, there is no word for podcast, I think, or I am not aware of the word for podcast. But then failed is like 실패했던. 실패했던 podcast.
That's difficult. मैं नहीं सीखना चाहूँगा.
But it's fun when you start learning a language,
मेरे को लैंग्वेजेस ऐसे मैं कहीं जैसे बैंगलोर गया था तो मैंने तेलुगु सीखा है और मलयालम सीखा है बस, और कोई मेरे को लैंग्वेजेस नहीं. एंड द बेसिक लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ कोर्स हिंदी, इंग्लिश, नेपाली है. कैन यू टीच मी वन फेस इन चाइनीज और अथाई?
Chinese or Thai? Okay. Chinese में शिर फन लोमा.
शिर फन लोमा.
Shirfan Lama is like, have you eaten food yet?
Okay, Shirfan Loma.
Shirfan Lama. And in Thai it would be, wait, I need to think now.
Oh, sure.
Kin Khao Le Yang.
King Khao
Khao Le Yang.
Le Yang.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you eaten or not?
Okay, this is have you eaten or not?
Yeah.
This is Thai.
In Thai and Chinese food.
What's keep you motivated every day?
Keeps me motivated every day. I think every day I get up, I talk to myself a lot. So I tell myself that it is another day, you need to keep moving forward. But one thing that always keeps me standing straight is the motivation that I get from my parents. Though I think the way I've seen them support me is incredible, because इस ज़माने में जहाँ पे पेरेंट्स तुम्हें ये करो वो करो करके पुश करते हैं, माई पेरेंट्स आर वेरी लाइक डू व्हाट यू वांट टू, दे आर ऑलवेज देयर सपोर्टिंग यू. सो वो चीज़ दिमाग में रख के आई गेट अप एवरी डे, आई डू व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, आई गिव माई 100% इन एवरीथिंग आई डू.
अच्छा, अगर आपको हर लड़की को एक सुपर पावर देने का मौका मिले तो आप कौन सी सुपर पावर दोगे? To every girl.
To every girl, I think I would give the superpower to recognize yourself.
Oh.
खुद को वो देख सके किसी और की नजरों से.
ये थोड़ा
क्योंकि because for us as a girl, I want to see how I'm perceived by other people. So I want to see that मैं कैसी दूसरों की नजरे से मैं कैसी दिखती हूँ, and what I have to do, what I have to work on. So that would be a superpower I would want rather than giving it to somebody.
क्या आपको लगता है ऐसा बोला जाता है ना हमारे साइड, हमारे इंडिया में तो बहुत कहावतों का वो है तो हमारे साइड बोला जाता है कि 4 लोग देखेंगे तो क्या कहेंगे. आपने सुना होगा कहीं ना कहीं. तो आपको लगता है वो 4 लोग सच में हमारे बारे में सोचते हैं?
एक्चुअली नहीं,
केयर ही नहीं करते शायद.
दे डोंट केयर एक्चुअली. हम भी वैसे ही है ना. आई थिंक इफ यू सी पीपल वॉकिंग थ्रू, आप उसे देख के आप उसके बारे में सोच तो नहीं सोचोगे. आप तो अपना काम अपने रास्ते पे चलोगे ना, दूसरों के रास्ते पे थोड़ी चलोगे. तो वैसे ही होता है. बट आई थिंक इट इज ऑल अबाउट साइकोलॉजी. यू आर वेरी कॉन्शियस अबाउट योरसेल्फ. लोग होते हैं वैसे
कॉन्शियस तो वैसे अच्छा भी होता है एक टाइम पे,
अगर अच्छे से लेंगे तो अच्छा होता है. बट इफ यू टेक इट इन अदर वे इट इज.
अच्छा, मान लो आपके पास एक बटन है जिसे दबाने से आपको आपका डेट और टाइम पता चल जाएगा डेथ का. अब क्यों दबाओगे उसे और क्यों नहीं दबाओगे उसे?
आई थिंक मैं नहीं दबाऊंगी क्योंकि आई रियली डोंट वांट टू नो व्हेन आई एम डाइंग. The date and time when I'm dying, because I am a person who lives in present. और अगर मैं अभी fullest live कर लूंगी तो अगर कल भी मैं if I have to die tomorrow also, I don't think I'll ever regret it. But if I know that I'm going to die, I think I'm going to be very conscious about it. Yeah.
वो बोलते हैं ना कि हर एक दिन ऐसे जियो कि आखिरी दिन हो.
Yes.
आपको 2 गिफ्ट दिया जाए, एक गारंटी सक्सेस और एक गारंटी हैप्पीनेस, तो आप क्या चूज करेंगे? यू कैन चूज ओनली वन.
I can choose only one.
Yeah, गारंटी हैप्पीनेस और गारंटी सक्सेस.
Happiness और सक्सेस में I would choose happiness, because the moment you are happy, I feel you are successful.
Oh.
Because सक्सेस का मतलब सिर्फ पैसा, ये पोजीशन नहीं होता है. So I feel like if you can make yourself happy, if you know how to be happy yourself, that is success for me.
मैं भी इन लोगों को वही समझाता हूँ. What one advice would you give to your younger one?
My younger self, I would say just stay the way you are. Don't change. And there will be so many people trying to pull you down, but you are going to flourish and you are going to be the unapologetic you, the confident you. So don't stop whatever you are doing.
आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा कोई फेलियर है जो लाइक एक टाइम पे लगा था दिस इज द एंड, बट लेटर ऑन आपको लगा कि या दैट फेलियर वाज माय ग्रेटेस्ट लर्निंग?
By God's grace, I don't have that kind of moment where I wanted to give up everything, but I had never failed in any of the examinations, right? But class 11 में क्या हुआ कि being a science student, I had a very hard time coping up with physics and chemistry. So I had a very big downfall at that time in my academics. So उस time I used to cry and call my mom saying that I spoiled my exam. I don't know what I'm going to do. Or tomorrow I have an exam. I called her and I'm like, at night, I don't know, nothing is getting into my head. I'm not able to study. And then, but then at that time, I think my mom, she was very like, it's okay, take rest. So jao, kal subah उठ के पढ़ लेना. So she used to say all those stuffs and I used to be like, okay, कोई नहीं. And I used to cope up with it. But now that I come forward, now that I've come forward and now that I see, I think उस टाइम जो फेलियर, उस टाइम जो स्ट्रेस हुआ था, अभी भी कॉलेज लाइफ में वो स्ट्रेस होता है, तो मुझे वो नया नहीं लगता है. It feels like I have been going through it. I know I'll do it. I'll go through it.
मेरे को तो आदत हो गई.
आदत हो गई है, yeah.
Have you gotten heartbroken?
Heartbroken. Yeah.
How did you deal with that?
I think the best way to deal with it is accepting it. Accept that it has happened to you. Let your emotions take control, and let your body just feel it. And I think it will pass away once you accept it.
आपकी like you just become Miss Universe Sikkim, तो उसके बाद से क्या changes हुआ है आपकी लाइफ में?
Honestly, there's nothing that has changed because I'm still the Bindita that was before winning the title, and even in future, no matter what milestones I take, I am still going to be me. But the only one thing that has changed a little bit is my parents are more prouder to show
Even
me
our
off.
university is more proud.
Yeah, I mean, people around me are more prouder to, state that she's won this title, she's done this. Yeah.
Even like मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ मेरे podcast पे आई है.
Yeah.
So it's a pride for us also. Imagine nobody knew you were a Miss Universe Sikkim finalist. What part of your personality would still make you stand out?
अभी भी मुझे लगता है कि काफ़ी लोगों को नहीं पता है that there was Miss Universe Sikkim conducted in Sikkim. Yeah, so
कहीं आप मेरे को तो नहीं कह रही?
but yeah, क्योंकि it was conducted in a very short time and बहुत ही remote area में, Yangyang, if you know, Bhaledunga. There was no network, so it was such a secluded area.
Yangyang में हुआ था ये?
It was, the finals were conducted in Yangyang. So many people don't know, but I think what would make me stand out is the way I speak and with the confidence I speak.
I can see that.
Thank you so much.
This or that?
This or that, okay.
Love or money?
I would choose love.
Why?
Because I think love does not only include your partner, but I feel like it's the love that you get from your parents, your sister, like the whole surrounding, So money cannot buy you love.
But apart from this, do you think money cannot buy happiness?
No, money can buy happiness.
How?
I am a strong believer of money can buy happiness. आपके पास पैसा है, आप रेस्टोरेंट में जाओगे, अच्छा खाना खाओगे, आप हैप्पी नहीं होगे. That is the
course.
happiness, right? So money
Yeah.
can buy happiness, but it cannot buy you the trueness, I believe.
yeah.
The genuinity cannot
Okay.
buy you that.
मैं तो यही कहूँगा सबको कि I love money.
नहीं, we should be money minded because इस जमाने में अगर आपके पास पैसा नहीं है तो आपके पास कुछ
कुछ
नहीं
नहीं यार, ये
Yeah.
तो
You
like
cannot
हमें
survive on love only.
ये तो हमें बचपन से सिखाया गया है कि पैसा है तो सब कुछ है। वो लाइक एक कहावत भी है ना, जेब में आंधी है जेब में गांधी है तो आंधी जिंदगी में आंधी है। माउंटेन और बीचेस?
Mountain or beaches? I think because I am grown into mountains, I would choose mountains.
Mountains are more peaceful than beaches,
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
Coffee or tea?
Tea.
Tea. Sorry, I bought you the coffee.
It's okay. I think because we Indians are so much addicted to tea.
Yeah,
Every morning, without tea, the day doesn't start.
same.
Yeah,
Same.
so that's the only reason I'm choosing tea.
मेरा तो ऐसा है लाइक मैं सुबह उठूंगा, मैं बेड पे ही रहूंगा, मेरे को बेड पे ही चाय चाहिए और मम्मी ला के देगी, फिर मैं पीऊंगा, फिर मैं उठ के वॉशरूम जाऊंगा।
Yes.
मेरा ऐसा पता नहीं क्या है चाय के साथ, लेकिन है
Oh,
कुछ।
Indians have that in their blood.
What is one message you want to leave behind for anyone who is currently doubting themselves?
One message. I would just say, don't think too much and just do it.
ये मैं सबको कहना चाहूँगा। इनफैक्ट मैंने जब ये चैनल स्टार्ट करने का सोचा था ना, लाइक आई वाज वेरी स्टक। मेरे को कुछ आइडिया नहीं था कैसे करूँगा, कहाँ से होगा, कैसे स्टार्ट करना चाहिए। बट एनी हाउ आई डिसाइडेड टू स्टार्ट एंड सी हू इज विद मी।
Yeah, I think you just need to make up your mind and just just do it, regardless of whether you make it or you don't. Because once you put one foot forward, you'll find the balance yourself, and that's how you can put your other foot forward too. So even if you fail, even if you fall, there's always a way to stand up again and move forward. I think one of the mentors that was there with us during our sessions, we had like sessions, so he told us, fail numerous times, fall numerous times, but fall forward. Yeah. So I think each failure is an opportunity for you to grow as a human being,
To build yourself.
to improve yourself, to see yourself where you stand and how you can improve yourself. It is an opportunity, I say.
If your life ended up becoming a book, what you want to title your book?
Title my book. The Rainbows of Talent.
Rainbows of Talent.
Yeah.
But why that?
Because I think you find numerous talents in yourself that you don't even know, and those talents, as I told you, the name of my movie would be all about canvas and colors, so those talents make up the rainbow in your life. Yeah, so each talent become different colors, and that is how your sky is shaped. So even after numerous hard work, hardships that you've gone through, because the rainbow always shows up after rain. So after too many, after you've gone through so much, I think there's always that hope that shines on you.
प्लीज मेरे को भी ऐसा पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग चाहिए मुझे। मैं पता नहीं क्यों पॉजिटिव नहीं रह पाता ज्यादा देर तक।
No, actually वो होता है even
like I really want to ask you, how do you stay this much positive?
actually क्या होता है, it is not that I'm always positive. Even I have like negative thoughts. होता है because it is the nature of human being. You know, you have positive thoughts and you have negative thoughts, but it is up to you how you filter them out, right? So for me, जो भी होता है, whatever negativity comes to me, I put that aside in tears. अगर मैं एक बार रो लेती हूँ, then that is gone is gone. I don't वो सोच के फिर से वो नहीं है, but then एक बार once you let it out, then that is gone.
The one advice that changed your personality.
Don't be overconfident.
Overconfident skill?
Yeah, because being confident is a skill. There's a very thin line between being confident and being overconfident. Or when you become overconfident, you fly. You are not on the ground.
सातवें आसमान पे.
Huh. Yeah, you are there, and you. I think your personality changes. You know, you become like, I am the one. I'm the only one, and you start down looking other things. But be confident, but not overconfident. I think because I am a very outspoken person since a child, you know. So since I was in class 4, 5, I've been on stage, I've danced, I've sang, I've hosted, I've done speeches, I've recited poems.
हमारे कॉलेज में तो हम आप ही को देखते हैं. इंस्टाग्राम पे भी आप आ जाती हो.
Yeah, so since small I've been doing that. So college में भी आके I'm taking that forward with me. And
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है ऐसे किसी को देखता हूँ ना, कंटिन्यू आ रहा है भाई, कुछ तो है इसमें.
Yeah, और if you know that you can do it, अगर आपको लगता है कि आप उसी के लिए बने हो, तो I think दूसरों के ओपिनियंस मैटर नहीं करते हैं. वही बचपन से मुझे जो मेंटर्स थे, जो टीचर्स थे, जो हमें पढ़ाते थे, वो यूज्ड टू पुश मी फॉरवर्ड. वो लोग बोलते थे कि वो आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, बट नो व्हेन नॉट टू गो ओवरबोर्ड, व्हेन टू स्टॉप एंड व्हेन टू नॉट टू बी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट.
That's a good advice. तो ऐसा हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसा बोलते भी, हम नॉर्थ इंडियन से हैं, तो हम लोगों का आधा से ज्यादा काम जुगाड़ पे ही चलता है. तो हमारे यहाँ ऐसा कहावत है कि हवा में तीर मत छोड़ो. सुना होगा आपने कहीं ना कहीं. तो मैं अपने ऑडियंस को ये जरूर कहना चाहूंगा कि भाई हवा में तीर छोड़ो, कहीं ना कहीं जाके लगेगा. अब तुम पहले ही निशाना तय कर लोगे तो लगे या ना लगे, फिर तुम्हें उसी बात पे डिसअपॉइंटमेंट या सक्सेस मिलेगा. छोड़ो, हवा में कहीं ना कहीं जाके लगेगा. कुछ ना कुछ हाथ आएगा. लगेगा. So what's your final advice to our audience you want to give?
I am not somebody who can give you advice, but one thing that I would like to tell everybody is that just be confident.